Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are in our math, and I want us to, before we get started, I want you to stand up, and I want you to, if it is 50 degrees or warmer outside, I want you to run around your house one time, okay? If it is below 50 degrees, then you can just run around your kitchen table 3 times, all right? So, stand up. But don't forget to pause the video before you go. Pause the video and then let's go run around the school building, or you guys run around your house. All right, now that we have all that fresh air flowing through our bodies, let's jump into lesson 2, which is special sets of numbers. We have a special lesson today, and we're talking about some special sets of numbers. It's a really short new part, so we're just going to get right into it. We have 3 different sets of numbers that we're going to go over today. We have counting numbers, whole numbers, and integers, and it's really easy. So let's just start with our counting numbers. Our counting numbers are the numbers we use to count things, simply starting with, so we have 1 marker, we have 2 markers, we have 856,220 markers. Okay, not quite. We have 3 markers, but our counting numbers are what we use to simply count numbers. So we have our 1, we have 2, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. On and on and on and on and on and on. All right, that's our first set of numbers. The next set is all the counting numbers plus 0. Those are called whole numbers. So it's all of our counting numbers. The only thing that we're adding to this set of numbers is we have our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay? And our last special set of number are all of the whole numbers and their opposites. And what it means by that is we have 2, right? The opposite of positive 2 is negative 2, right? So an integer is any whole number and its opposite. But notice 0 has no opposite, so there's nothing like negative 0. So our integers, if we just start at, let's start at 0 once. So we have 0 here. We go 1 this way, and then we have negative 1, and we have 2, 3, 4. We're going to have to go negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on this way, and so on that way, all right? So your counting numbers are simply 1, what we use to count numbers, and your whole numbers are your counting numbers, and also 0 is in with that, and your integers are any whole number and its opposite, all right? It says all of these are infinite sets of numbers, but the set of counting numbers is a subset of the sets of whole numbers and integers. The set of whole numbers is a subset of the set of integers, all right? So you guys notice that? So all of our counting numbers are going to fit into our whole numbers, and all of our whole numbers fit into our integers. So they're subsets of each other, okay? So for your new part, all you're doing is numbers 1 through 3, and then you have 3 more questions at the bottom. And then you can go ahead and do number 43. 43 is a star problem. It says write the 4 integers closest to 0, okay? All right, that is all for your new part, and